This fruit is never seen.
Not big like this, so we get a trophy.
Yeah man, you don't know, big up every time. Welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. Right now with the Denbigh. Yeah massive, you don't know. Right now when you start watching video, all me ask if you just start liking right now, start commenting. Start do everything. You understand? As me say, big up to everybody who is tuning in right now. You don't know, right now we're actually at Denbigh and it's Denbigh 68. So hear me now man, it's the first Denbigh Showcase Expo from the pandemic. You understand? So this one is epic. You understand? So right now from your tuning, as me say, start liking the video. So right now, if you have not known anything about Denbigh and what it is all about, it's an agricultural show. Right? So if you're a farm person, if you're lovers of animals and stuff like that, this is the place for you. You understand? This is a place where you can bring your entire family, your kids, no matter what age, to enjoy this beautiful expo. And as I said to you before, this is Denbigh 68 and right now we're standing at the corner of Mured Road. So the entrance from this side is actually blocked off to accommodate the show. You understand? So right about now, as I say, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and we're gonna do a tour through to show you exactly what is happening today. Today is actually the first day, which is the Saturday. So let's do this. We're gonna showcase as much persons as possible and what they have to offer. You know, when it comes on to animals, when it comes on to plants, you don't know how the thing go. So let's do this and let's get it right, and I'm gonna show you a full tour of what is happening down by Denbigh Showground in Clarendon. You understand? Let's do Denbigh 68 2022, first staging from the pandemic. Let's do this. We are say money? Alright, sir. Yeah, we are going to show what I go on, you know? Herbs. Mad thing, my family. Y'all lock over there, so? Which part y'all lock? Your kitchen this?
Everything over there.
Alright, see it. One way you have in your pot? Yeah. Alright. See it there? We can get a sneak preview. Yeah, show the people in what go on.
Fully dry coconut. Red peas.
Goat.
Yes.
Mad thing, no joke. Mad. Seller. Big up. So the idea, you have a restaurant for yourself or so? Just cook. Deal with it. And now your chance to make them know what go on now if they want to reach you, if you have an Instagram, if you have what, if you have to mash up something. If you want to tell them how to find you, Ray, you know the thing go. One Rasta Glen?
Yes.
Alright, see that? Rasta Glen.
Yes.
Mad thing. With the Denbigh. Got you. Everybody Irie? What go on, you want to showcase a business which are to located, all of them things there. Which are the customers them forward come buy the thing them? You don't tell me? Alright, where I got you? What go on, my general? Where you mash up? Talk to me. Tell me something my people them don't know. Tell me something my people them don't know. Hold the talk-a-phone. Come on, man. Talk to me.
Yeah, man, we have the natural juice here, you know. We have sky snow cone and we have
Tell me something about snow
Arizona.
cone where the people them might not know.
Well, snow cone is a thing from back in the days, from in the 60s, in the 80s, you know, where you share rice and you syrup them. So then you have blueberry, you have strawberry, you have ginger, you have pineapple, you have, yeah, everything there, you know, Pepsi, everything. Come say a word.
Alright. So tell me about Denbigh. Tell me about Denbigh.
Yeah, man, Denbigh, it's alright, you know, but it's kind of slow in the idea, you know.
Alright, we get to your
So it's soon pick up still. Watch no face people. Come now and enjoy yourself. Yeah, so the juice in there.
Everything there and there.
Yeah,
you know.
man.
So the natural one that you mash them on the
We
top.
have carrot and we have cucumber juice, you name it. Everything there.
Alright,
Alright,
man thing.
Alright, let me tell you now. We have
Eh, see it here.
we have the June plum, right? We have the carrot. We have the sorrel and tambourine, beet and tambourine, cucumber and pine, pineapple. Right?
Straight
Beet
Jamaican
and carrot.
style.
Straight Jamaican style. No preservative.
No preservative, you hear that?
Right? Just the natural food.
Yeah, so which one we can find here if we want the natural food then?
Alright, White Mall, St. Catherine.
Hold up the mic, yeah.
White Mall, St. Catherine. And the name is Joy. And it is delicious blends.
Delicious blends.
Delicious blends.
That's the name of your business. Alright, any number for persons who want to get you?
3456970.
Alright, Martin, let's go. So yes, massive, we still there at Denbigh and we are showcase what go on in Denbigh, you understand? Yeah, man. Everything there. You know what is melon, pine, cane, we there. Denbigh is a whole vibe. Let's go. Wow, go on, Jamaica walk by. Talk to me now about how we can find you. All I think them way you sell out. Cause this look like it's an official business that go on. What you say? You ready to talk to me? Tell me something about business how people them can find you. Talk to me, man. Come in, man. Somebody talk to me, man, and tell the people them what go on. A time now for bus, you know. Time now for showcase. So right now we still there at Denbigh showground. You see me? Alright, she said she don't want to say nothing still. So here we are go through. You understand, right? That's how we have all kind of plant. Me even know them plant and Mushi could just tell me so people them can know them. Alright. Close. Yeah, but more somebody to talk, tell me what go on. Sometimes they don't understand how things going on. Where's the moment? What go on? All things. Boy, should they go and sell up on some things? So what go on here? We are talking about socks, underpants, everything they are Denbigh today. Yes, massive. Yeah. Big up yourself, mama. Aye, man. Martin, we say out. Get it right, get it right. can't big up his son. Yeah, but you can't play. His son have it turn off and me play it. Take it off phone. Take it off. Just dry it out.
Yeah, man, I see a word, man. You don't know what they are. Them be show ground. You see it?
Mad thing.
I go and have a thing, you know?
See it there?
It's about and everything.
Where's your look at businesses?
Yeah,
you
man.
rent out the bunks about that
man.
thing?
Yes, man. You know what youth and we have to try that. You
So
know?
the business name?
You don't know a Hellraiser, man.
Ranger. I put up a mic here. I just talk to another mic them and talk to we are here. See the sound system there.
Mama, let's up it.
Hey, you mean? Tell me about the sound. What go on with the sound? Who are on it? What the selector? You have phone the type of bussy system, you know. Talk about it. See,
well, you know, say I hear weird sound, you know.
Artist to talk a phone.
Yeah, man, you don't know anything set together. Oh gosh, man, you see it. But there's a one of Black Melody, you see me?
Black man?
Black Melody.
Oh, Black Melody.
Black Melody, you see it?
Are you your time now for shine?
Most High Father, could I wear there? You're not see the youths, them a die there. And this is my story, yeah. And giving the high man glory. And this is my story, yeah. I better way a judge just show me. Cause through the hackle and the tackling, lot of things been happening. But me know say me have to win. And things me go through more while me want stop music and start for the hustling. And then me see things get tired at the same time me lose my father. Rest in peace, mommy, me I beg you please do watch over the boy, yeah. This is my story, yeah. One.
Yo, Black Melody, yo, where the man found from?
Clarendon, you see it?
Clarendon, youth, you sound good.
Said we that you big up yourself,
good,
man.
Youth.
One, man.
I want to spend money per year, then if you spend some money per year, you know.
Oh, gosh,
a future
man.
star, you know, youth, you sound good,
Future.
I mean, me not talk about the auto-tune massive. The man sing right as I talk a phone and tear up a place.
Said we that big up, man.
Yo, the massive them are gonna love you, youth.
One
hear
pull,
me I
man,
say,
is
go and
it?
do it same way, so youth are
Said we
talented.
that
The first me I hear about you, but the vocals there, sick.
Said
Me
we
sing
that
it to you now, me I tell you that, you know. You understand? Big up yourself every time. Big up all Clarendon massive. Big up on yourself. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
All
Senseless,
right,
daddy.
Show it back in. Alright, see that. Big up on yourself every time. Yo, them are going to want to see you, you know. Yo, right now on Jamaica walk by. You see me, I say, look on her. Spin a roll. But me pass me a show off and I say, yo, that girl, let's show off because she look goody. Watch her. You look goody. Alright, big up yourself. So Jamaica walk by. You can check out the chops in. Alright, mad thing. Big up every time.
Yeah, this is the big woman, the Denbigh. Yeah, big woman, the Denbigh. Pretty nice golf car. Yeah.
Hey, forward na man.
Alright, yes, we can have that.
Bitch, I don't care what you think. I'm not buying a drink. My queen's attitude of the stick. I make no sacrifice to the link.
Nice sound a play, man. Turn on that little bit, them, G. Yeah. Who can talk? Who can talk? Who can tell me everything we are going on so? Tell me, who can talk? You can talk? Alright, see it here. See it here. See it here. Nobody get chicken now, man.
Yeah, man, it's all about the Denbigh Agricultural show. Yeah, man, annual thing. 60th anniversary, 2 years of absence. And you are going now, Clarendon and the English-speaking Caribbean are the biggest thing ever go on round me. What's we to go and so are you? Random!
Yeah, big up every time, see? Alright, so Jamaica walk by here, Jamaica walk by. All platform.
Yeah.
All the man out there so with the car park sign. It's a whole vibe, it's just an energy, you know? I know we don't reach the showground yet and it's a vibe. Trust me. Alright, so in the direction at which the camera is pointing right now, this is the entrance to enter the showground. So we're gonna go by the showground and check out what go on. You understand me I say? Yeah, big up all of the hustlers them, you don't know. Yeah. See it there? See it there? It's official business here. Who can tell me everything about what go on here, so? Or who can hold the joystick? Talk to me. Talk to me. Yo, I'm only me give you this right, so right now be showcase your thing, phone the business. Want to say Jamaica walk by there?
Alright, right here we have
talk to me.
hamburger, hot dog, and we have the natural combo. The combo is served with fries and nuggets. Yeah, and we have the natural juice right here.
Natural juice. What the natural juice them there?
Clarendon blends natural juice.
Clarendon blend natural juice. You hear that? Yes, massive. See it there? Can you showcase one thing to me, General? Bring it. Yeah, man, talk, man. Just tell me what I want. Just tell me something what I want, man. All natural.
I mean, I have waist beads.
Yeah, man, take it. Yeah, man.
I don't like holding mic. I like waist beads, key rings, bracelets, everything that, trinkets.
So do you do an online business if people want to reach our Instagram account? Yeah, but tell me what I want.
It's _treasures on Instagram, or you can reach me via WhatsApp at 1-876-788-0878.
All right. Let's see a word. Yeah, man, don't be afraid to showcase your business, man. When your time to shine, you have to just run with it. You see me? I like me, I tell? All right, see it there. Marty. What go on? You want to showcase the business who are rent to the rent trampoline and thing? You want to showcase the business how they reach you?
Yo, make sure you say the right thing. Hold him. Yo, come here, Crowdy. Crowdy, watch out. Yo, we tell us the
Popcorn them, the good food of them.
See good.
Good snack them, with the good fish
Yo,
them.
Crowdy.
See it there. She there.
Sweets.
Yo, hold him. Yo, see him there, hold him there.
Alright, big up yourself. Big up. You want that? Alright. You see how far I walk with you?
Oh, got a few up,
Alright.
Yeah, them be sure going hot spot, see it here. Start from nothing till the pot get fat, see it here. Yeah,
Tell me something where you sell.
Me I sell soda, me I sell boom, me I sell Heineken, beer, Jagan, Malta.
The thing just shot breadfruit and me a Swiss up same time. You see me I say, thing just shot. I start off with 3 water and 3 soda and me thing shot. No lazy man out there. Say it out green cane. We have it. You see me I say everything nice. Because you know, things are going free. We have 3 soda and 3 water it are going. You hear see it right here so. Check me star. Yeah, that's where it start from. Check me thing here. So the big woman over here so to put him on the thing. Real woman here. That's the princess. Yes. See it there, shirt and pants see me. See the hang up see me. 3 juice start from our water. Thing gone up here.
Alright. Alright, massive. Right about now we actually got head to the thing. You see me? Wagwan. Right in our car park. Business everywhere. What? Look pan jelly massive. Wanna know about this? Eh? All I foreigners wanna know about this. Someone never see so much jelly yet from the barn. See it there? See it there?
Talk on the mic, talk on the mic too. Yeah, God bless Denbigh. Because everything there, Denbigh, we have a nice hospital, we have Benground and we have all of the funeral over. And God bless Denbigh showground. And that me say, how did the place is crowded? Denbigh are the place, see, all away, if you don't Denbigh me penny a fenke. Denbigh we say, see my big boss say, Daddy Kirk, I am the big boss on the Sunday, yeah. And Denbigh we say.
Big up every time, but see it there? Alright. Big up yourself, Bobby, alright? Yeah, cool. Where's my general? Are you sell yours too? Yeah. Where's your also some sweets? What is you have? Oh, the general there. You must sell some juice. You don't know some chips, some you can snack. Big up yourself, is it me, Jay? Alright, go on and do it. So we are actually going to enter the showground now and get to the meat of the matter. Because you know we have to have the vibe already. Excuse me. Can you open it for me? All right, massive. So we just entered the property. Sorry, let's do this.
Respect and manners.
Check out the market, check out the market and the normal, no? Yeah.
Hello. I call marginal soil. You don't have to baby them.
Forward and talk to me. Talk to me. Tell me what I go on.
Okay, so we are representing St.
Just write out.
Yeah, we
Draw the talker phone. Just write, man. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, talk to me.
It's on?
Yeah, man.
Yes, boy, you come the right time because here, look, we are the best. We are approachable. Look what is happening here.
Alright,
The
tell me about this.
first pavilion, St. Mary Pavilion,
right here, and we try to make things be as picture perfect. And
So even the grass is grass.
yes, sir, this is what they call sod. It's a rollout.
Uh-huh.
You prepare your turf and just roll out, and you get this instant turf.
Whoa.
Yes. So these are what they call sod. They are 4 feet long by 1 foot wide, and then we have the small tray there.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are really convenient. So if you have your car or your nice little ride, you don't want to mess up with this dirt, you just pack them neatly on top of each other and good to go.
Good to go.
So here we have ornamental pineapple, and if you look,
March me around, let me go around.
yeah, ornamental pineapple, this is what it bears. It is edible, but it is so minuscule. You don't really want to eat on this. It's too small, right? So we use it in a landscape garden for ornamental purpose. So we call it ornamental pine.
All right.
Okay, so here we have guava.
Let me go around.
Okay. All right, continue going right around. Yes. Yes. All right, so it's all mixed up here, but we know what is what. We have for ornamental purpose, we have a bougainvillea here. We have different colors. We have the variegated white and we have the straight green white. We have Texas sage. We have red thigh. We have Texas sage. We have croton. This is a special type of croton. We have alamander. We have guava bearing in pot.
The guava actually are bearing in
Yeah,
the
and
pot.
it's for real. These get much bigger.
Whoa.
But this is done through what they call vegetative propagation.
Okay.
It's not from seed, vegetative propagation.
Okay,
It's not coming from seed. So the method of growing, the same season that the parent is bearing, these offspring will be bearing because of the method of plant propagation. We call it circumposing.
All right. Okay. Great.
And
great,
then we
great.
have desert rose. We have alternanta. This is a bedding type. Make a good ground cover.
Okay. Nice, nice.
And then we have, these are the 10 o'clock, but they will only open during, like say 10 o'clock. They respond to light and photoperiodism. So they come out special time of the day, in the morning, yes. And then we have coconut. This is one of the dwarf type coconut, was the Malayan type coconut. Then we have the rubber plant.
Rubber plant.
Yeah, this is one of the plants that you want to have in your living space because it picks up toxicity in your living space.
So how much is a plant like that?
So this one is like for $5,000.
Okay, I love that one.
But this is the one that you want to have in your living space. It picks up the metal layer, the lead, all of these impurities and render that space safe
all right, so
for you.
if me want to contact you now, say for instance, me you want to get one of them things then, or me get you?
All right. So you look on that shirt there. Plant depot. And just move the strap. All right.
Plant depot.
Yes.
Are we located?
In addition to that, I give one of my card.
All right. This is your card.
Yes. And it's for you to keep.
All right. I need that one, you know.
Yes.
All right. Respect.
All right. So come around here now. We have a wide variety of herbs, and we have catmint.
Catmint.
Yes. We have spearmint. We have lemon balm. We have rosemary. We have kale. We have cinnamon basil.
Cinnamon basil.
Yes. We have tarragon. And these are all medicinal herbs. If you're feeling like nauseous, you drink any one of these basil type mint.
The aroma is just beautiful.
Yes, it is. It is. It's overpowering at times.
Man.
All right. So here now we have like cacti and succulent. We have here. We have the good old Joseph coat. You can always depend on Joseph coat for colors. Yes. We have the spider croton. We have Duranto gold. We have alternanta. We have two types of alternanta here. You'll see the distinction. One is more linear, longer, and one is sort of round.
Okay, yes, for real.
Yeah, so you can see the difference there. But they love the sunshine, the full sunshine.
They
The
love the
more
sunshine.
sun, the sharper the colors.
Nice, nice. All right, you don't know.
All right,
Big up
so-
every time, man.
Yes.
Your fever grass this.
Oh,
Ah.
this is fever grass. We have the fever grass, we have the lemon grass, but this is the fever grass.
Fever grass.
Yes.
All right, so big up every time. Thank you for having
Yes,
Jamaica
man.
Walk by. You're very knowledgeable of the thing. So,
Yes.
can't see a long time you do it, man.
Agronomist and horticulturist by profession.
All right, see that? Great,
sir.
man. Great, man.
Good,
Respect
good,
and
good, right.
thanks.
Yes.
You don't know we are going to pass through.
Yes, man.
You don't know we have the
Yes.
thing set.
That
So.
you keep the link.
All right.
And empower the young youth to go in things like this. It's very
Much
rewarding.
respect for real.
And it is really therapeutic to really have to do with these plants.
All right, that's how we're there.
Yes.
All right, so big
Yes,
up
man.
every time.
Good, man.
And blessings here. Nice, nice. Hot pepper. Blessed, blessed. Inside there, what business inside there? Is the same thing? All right. You mind show you?
10 minutes. 10 minutes. Me tell us when I'm going there, really have a time. But just get ready and serve bar. You can't take that yourself.
No, me not pass it, man. Me not pass it. All right, who want to do the talking? Who can tell me what I go on? Talk to me, talk to me. Come on, no man. See it here with the Denbigh show going. Look on Jelly. Kian. Big up all massive. Come on, nobody no want showcase what I go on. Nobody no want talk about it. Who want showcase over here? So all right, then you know a thing go. Big up every time. Where's your spot?
I plumber, you know. I work, you know. Right now, thing nice, brother.
Nice.
Thing nice.
All right, so big up every
Yeah,
time.
me go down. I mean, Portland, Clinton.
Hard.
All who believe in the Almighty One up above. Yeah, me love to see the people them a rock and come in 1 and 2 same way. Yeah. Tomorrow na normal look. Monday na normal day. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Pick up the lovely ladies them in the car. Let me see them. Yeah.
Blessed, blessed.
Turn it up.
These look handmade. Jeez. Watch richness. I'm not even sure if I can really talk or interview with the music I play because maybe I'm gonna have to mute it. I'm not even sure. I want to really talk to you about some of this. But that music is playing, so I'm not even sure. All right.
Karen, pick up yourself, you know, my sister, yo. I know say look more we are checking, no. Anyway, pick up yourself. Yeah. After the listen. Uh-huh. And if you got it on a Facebook,
Jamaica walk by.
yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. vibes, you know. What you mean? Right. Yes, mommy, pick up. One love. One love. One love. Yeah. What you mean? Why Jamaica no man them pretty when them black sand? No bleach, how do them? What bleach in a go? Yeah. Right. Yeah, rock up, come in and check out the farmers market. We have all the ones. Yeah, we have all the good food up back here now. I said, them are now around. Rasta man, big up yourself, you know. Big up your flipping self. Yeah. The Westin.
What interview you about the radio?
Sit your man, where say, pause me too. Pause, look more chronic, yo, video man round ya. Big up yourself, me G.
Jamaica walk by, man.
Yeah, for real, man.
Alright. Listen to me now, talk to me. Make me your walk one. Put on your talkerphone. Talk to me now, walk one. Yeah, man, you're not going to hear, man, but we are here.
Yeah, well, you can see right here, hillside. We have the organic lemon, we have the organic lime, we have the...
Show me them, man, make people know what is that.
Right here, we have the organic lemon, we have the organic lime, we have the organic yam, we have the organic cocoa, we have the organic turnip. Only for people don't know turnip. We have the organic carrot, we have the organic orange, we have the organic coconut, we have the organic scallion, we have the organic parsley. We have the organic sauce up over there for your nerves. Watch your health, because your health is a wealth. Over here, we have a sweet sugar cane. Right? And we're going to show you what going on, because we think the normal around here. See? Also, we have a coffee cane liquor right here.
What that one here?
Coffee cane liquor. And we have the one named coffee cane juice.
See?
And we have the one original coffee, the one original cane juice with ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah, everything is normal. Also over here, Mama, I would like to give you a little interview about the coffee, the president of the hillside.
Step up. No one look familiar.
Yeah, I got the passion fruit over there. So I do fruits bag as well. I got the cooking banana as well. My president right here got some lime and some scotch bonnet peppers. Majority of the stuffs are coming from the same style though, such as the banana and the jackfruit. But I think the pumpkin and the melon is coming from St. Elizabeth, which some of the pineapples are coming from St. Andrew, which is sugarloaf, but I am selling the bullet pineapples. So you have a difference in the pineapples. Those that you are looking at down there is the sugarloaf, and these that you are looking at up here is the bullet. So you got to know about fruits, alright? So we have top quality grapes, we have self-ripe, non-fertilized bananas. That's the bullet, alright?
Bullet.
Yes, and the next pineapple right down there is the sugarloaf. So you have more than one type of pineapples. So I have some Guinness as well. Them pick yesterday and me jump up in the tree for myself. The passion are coming from self-ripe, non-fertilized.
Alright, so everyone reach you. How we reach you now?
We are from Woodford. My number is 775-3251. I am FM.
Slower, man, slower. Your number?
775-3251. My original location is Linders Road. My president, Miss Lisa and Georgie Fender, are located in Woodford, where they have the coffee structure, where we do coffee drinks as well, where they mix the coffee and the ginger together, and we call that coffee stuffs. So we have mixture, we do a lot of stuffs, you know, and we have planting down here as well. Look how them big and gigantic. No matter how that one you look, no matter how it ugly, when you peel it, the beauty is on the inside. So you know how we're doing it. And establishing all over the ground.
So you can use it to make tea, you can use it for baking and other ingredients. You can use it for healing as well. For instance, you get bitten by an insect, you can use it as a bush and rub it on the skin, and that will help you.
Massive, what do you think about that youth and him intelligent?
Yeah, with the writer, sir, understand? Our original location is Linders Road, so come there, sir, and see we dance in the road, in the street and sell fruits. I want FM. And when you say FM, you talk about fruits, man, no. And if you turn it back and front here, that's to say I'm more forever. So it's a non-stop going thing, it's an ongoing thing. Big up OGF, that's my team, alright? Organic grown food and fruit. So big up all of my younger generations, alright? My whole body and team, bless up.
Big up every time. Yo, the youth fluent. Me general, beg you 1 minute, let me just talk to somebody over here, so here? Me a forward fit, you hear that? Me get a complimentary taste. You understand? So remember, you watch this on Jamaica Walk By here. Jamaica Walk By. The full video is going to be on YouTube. You understand that big platform, alright? Me a come for me drink.
So you finish the interview?
Well, me still as me say, it's all natural. Probably.
If you come back tomorrow, you're going to see we dance and sell some fruits and some grown food. Because everything that you see right here, nothing will be left after Monday evening. That's the greatness of our sales, man.
Mad thing. Alright, me a fall for me drink in a year. Alright, give me 2 minutes. Vamos. Give me 2. Alright, now me can get to talk to you. See it here now.
Hi.
See it here now. Talk to me, tell me what I want, tell me what me don't know.
Okay, so this is next scene photography. So these are all photos that is taken all over Jamaica. You name it. So this is a canvas piece, and this piece was taken in St. Mary.
St. Mary.
Right.
Beautiful.
Right. And this one was in Port Royal.
Port Royal.
Right. This is where the soldiers used to go and fire for the, you know, the enemies, whatever. So,
all right.
Yeah. And this other piece was taken in Clarendon.
Okay.
Right.
All right, nice. So where we can find you?
Okay,
if we want to purchase these.
Okay, so I am located in Kingston. Right, so I have my business card here. So I normally give persons my business card if they want to contact me.
All right, what about a number? Number is on there?
Yes,
Tell me
the number is on there. So my number is 439-3991.
All right, you have an Instagram?
I'm not on Instagram yet.
All right.
Planning to go on it very soon.
All right, great. All right, thanks much.
You're welcome.
So we just showcase all of this stuff then.
I have 2 pieces.
You understand?
I have 2 pieces around that.
You have 2 pieces around that
yeah,
side?
So you can come with me.
All right.
Yeah.
So she have 2 other pieces that she's going to show me. Let's just go look at that and touch base back. Yeah, man, I'll be right back. I'm coming for you now. All right.
Okay, so this piece is Wash Day by the river.
Wow.
Right.
Beautiful.
And this is a black and white reflection.
Nice.
And this is over Spanish Town, Old Capital. This building is not there anymore.
It's not?
No, it's not. But I have it. So anybody want it, just, you know, link me for it.
Beautiful.
Right.
Man, so big up yourself every time. We're
Thank
just gonna
you.
move along. Let's go back to the other side.
All right.
All right. Remember, Jamaica Walk By, anything you say, we are hearing. Oh, we're still recording. So on Jamaica Walk By, it's all natural. We show exactly what is happening in Denbigh and wherever we video, alright? Alright, let me see over here now. Who can tell me everything what I go on? Alright, yeah, man. Alright, talk to me, tell me what I go on. Tell the viewers them what I go on, what we don't know.
Yeah, man, this is Bartley's all in wood. So guess what? We're located in Mandeville, Manchester. So guess what? We do everything in wood. So right now, you can see the cutting board, the square cutting board. We do furniture as well. We don't bring no furniture to Denbigh.
Yeah.
We do furniture as well. You can look at the various products that we have there.
Nice.
Yeah, man, and all pieces can be customized.
All pieces. So like how you have like what's up? Remember call this?
Yeah, man. So we have
the Trial Club.
Yeah, man.
I can write Jamaica. You can write Jamaica walk by on it.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Anything you want. We have the plaques right there, so you can look at the plaque. We can get a picture and that if you have a wedding picture.
So you tell me that somebody carved this?
Yeah, man. No, that's the engraved.
Oh, the engraved one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up every time. So how we can reach you again?
Alright, so Bartley's, you can reach us on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter. So,
What spell out the Instagram name?
alright.
Put the bike and tell me what, if you remember it. If you remember the Instagram name. You have it on a card or something?
Yeah, man.
Alright. See there? You there on it? Alright. But I say what the business name again? Tell me it.
Yes, it's Bartley's All in Wood.
Alright, see the Bartley's All in Wood. You understand? Check them out on Instagram, check them out on Facebook. You understand? Alright, let me zoom in on the card. Is there a number there? Yeah. Just turn it around, let me catch your number. Oh, it's on. Oh, yeah. So see there? All in Wood. Martin, big up every time here. Alright, ready for me? Are you still doing? Alright, Becca, do it quick and fast. Tell me what I go on. Tell me what I go on.
Okay. So, hi, I'm Aisha. So, welcome to Aisha's Inspirations. These are all my handmade designs. I use a lot of natural elements, stones, coconuts, gems, you know, whatever it is, just to put my handmade designs. They're very unique, very crafty, and just unusual. So I'm pretty much sure if you're dainty and cute or you're bold and beautiful, you can find something here from Aisha's Inspirations. All inspired, all handmade, 100% Jamaican and authentic.
Nice.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Alright, so you're on Facebook, you're on social media?
Yes, you can check me out at Aisha's Inspirations on Instagram. You can check me out at Aisha's Inspirations on Etsy.com. Shop straight off the site. Or you can WhatsApp me and just, you know, figure out what it is that you would like. I customize stuff. So, say for instance, a sun charmer. You want it with a sun charmer, you can get your birthstone gem in the middle. So, if you want it smaller, bigger, whatever it is, you just call me up and I will work it out. All my contacts are on all my sites.
Alright, let me see. Let me catch this. Alright, so big up every time.
Thank you so much.
You can check out the video on Jamaica Walk By, alright?
Alrighty.
Alright,
Have a
cool.
nice day.
Thanks so much. You ready? Alright, see it here. Talk to me about your product.
Yes, man. Okay, so my brand is JV brand, and we actually make cane juice. And within this cane juice, we had like carrot, lime and ginger, beetroot, same cane juice with lime and ginger, and the lime and ginger cane juice, and we also do coconut water. Man, they are great. It doesn't matter how you're feeling, as soon as you drink one of these, man, it just energizes you. They are really, really great. All right, so I am located at 41 Mannings Hill Road. My phone number is 386-2480, and I'm also on Instagram at JV brand.
All right.
Check me out. You won't be surprised.
All right.
And I also do potato pudding. Man,
Potato pudding.
it gonna lead.
What's the logo? JV brand.
Yes, correct.
All right.
Bless
Big
you.
up
Bless
every
you.
time. See it? Nice. Alright, yeah, Jamaica Walk By. You can check us out on Instagram, YouTube, and my number is right there as well. Alright, Jamaica Walk By. Fabian. Alright. I say here in Jamaica walk by, everything is natural, all authentic. We not hide it. We just go through natural life. Let's move along. Let's move along. Let's go. We're moving along. Yep. Sound like Ellie a while ago. And here we are at another shop.
Welcome to St. Catherine Pavilion.
All right. So, who is the person who can tell me exactly what going on in here?
There is the parish manager over here.
All right. Good day. Parish manager, you want to talk to me? Who want to tell Jamaica walk by and all the world what's happening in here? Nice. Who made this? Greetings. Anybody want to tell me what is happening here? We want to showcase what to the world. Eh? Who can tell me what's happening? Here's the microphone. Yeah. Yeah, man. Just tell me what go on. All natural. Just tell me what go on.
Okay.
Hold it up to your one, man, so we hear clear. All right.
So how should I address your audience?
Just tell me what go on. Jamaica walk by massive. Jamaica walk by. You can address me as Jamaica walk by. Yeah.
Oh, hi Jamaica walk
by.
It's wagging.
Hi, Jamaica. Natural.
Hi Jamaica walk by today in conjunction with our theme of Grow Smart, Eat Smart. We thought we would focus on things that are sustainable. So this year, St. Catherine the Parish decided to focus on plantains, pineapple, and pumpkin. And the wonderful thing about all of these is that they are sustainable in their own way. You don't have to go to a farm store to buy the seeds to regenerate them. You can get a planting sucker from a neighbor, from a farmer. Pineapples can be grown from their stems. It takes a little bit longer, from maybe like a year to 2 years before they regenerate again. And pumpkins, you can always harvest your pumpkin seeds and have them growing. So along with that concept of eating smart, growing smart, you need to look at things that are sustainable, things that you don't have to go out of your way to purchase. So we wanted to show folks at home how can you use these 3 crops in convenience packages. So what I did was I took the plantain and the pumpkin and I made them into powders and flours. And
talk to me
from
about
those, you'll see those lovely pancake waffles. Those are pumpkin and plantain pancake, and we made a mix out of it. So all you have to do is add egg, oil, and water, and throw it into your waffle iron or into your frying pan and bake and make your own pancake or waffle, all convenience foods. So in the line also we have a dumpling mix. It's not gluten-free, we still had to include some wheat, but the idea behind that, you just add water and knead it and throw it into your pot, and immediately you have a more healthier dumpling. It's not 100% gluten-free because you need that to bind it. And we also made a smoothie mix. So the idea behind that, just add it to warm milk or water in your blender, and you have a full meal ready there. Simple meal.
Easy.
Oh,
don't make me drop the side.
And we also had our pumpkin powder straight. So if you want to make some of the things yourself, you can go straight ahead and make them. These can be sourced at Twickenham Industries, which is an associate partner with us. And these are granola bars where we incorporated the pumpkin and the plantain flour along with your seeds and nuts like almonds, cashew and peanuts. And we made from the pineapple a pineapple gizzard. So you see where we incorporated all three crops.
Pineapple gizzard.
Pineapple gizzard. And this is the 3-piece granola cups. So it has the plantain, the pumpkin, and the pineapple along with your nuts and seeds. And so therefore, we think this incorporates all of what we are trying to say about growing smart foods that anybody can grow in their backyard garden. Because you throw a pumpkin seed anywhere and it grows, right?
True.
And we're always buying pineapples at the market. You take off this head part here, you can plant it back. And you can easily go to country when you make a country run, beg a farmer, planting sucker. And every yard, even import more, which is very congested. Everybody either have a banana or a plantain in their yard.
So if I want to reach you guys, how do I reach you guys for the products?
For the products, just call Rada St. Catherine. We are located at Vanity Fair. You can call me at 426-2606 and I can put you on to how to get these products.
All right, well done. Thank you so much
You're
for that
welcome.
lovely interview, all right? There you go. Jamaica Walk By. We are on all social media platforms. The full video will be on YouTube. Yeah, the full video will be on YouTube. Yes, Jamaica Walk By. Very easy. Just Jamaica Walk By, yeah. Hold on 1 second a moment before you finish. Same like how you are telling, just please, just tell me one time. Yeah, but just tell me one time. No man, just continue with what you were saying, just speaking of the talk of food.
Alright, so this is new. We have the mango powder. You can mix this with the all-purpose and season your meat and it gives it a nice flavor.
Yes, and that's busy right there.
And we have busy right here.
But are these for sale?
Yes, they are.
For sale now,
yes.
or is it after the show is over?
It's for sale because we have more can
Even
replace.
today?
Yes. This is scallion powder. We have sweet potato, flour.
Sweet potato flour.
No, that's really cool.
Yes. And we have cassava flour as well.
Yeah, cassava flour. Yeah, me eat that one.
And we have scotch bonnet pepper powder.
Scotch bonnet pepper powder.
Yes.
Trouble.
Well.
And what is this sweet potato starch other than baking pudding?
You can make the flour,
Yeah.
but you put some cornmeal or some a little normal flour to let it hold a little more.
Okay.
And you make a dumpling out of it?
Yes, you do.
Or something you can
and
fry?
breadfruit flour make nice fritters.
Yeah, so you add flour or something to that, and you can always fry it if you want.
Yeah, if you want to.
You do anything you want.
Yes.
So this distributed by wholesale and supermarket.
No, not yet because we're going into our own branding.
Yeah.
But like the teas and so forth,
Yes.
we do branding for Caribbean Dreams. So the ones that they get in tea bars will work is actually done by authentic. And that is located in
St. Catherine.
Pointing.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's in the north.
Yeah.
Everything is in the north of St. Catherine that it grows, yeah.
Thank you. Nice. I'll be back for the interview. Yeah man, massive, so we just a blow through. Make sure we catch everything, you see me? Yeah, so we say now, talk to me, which we can find you. Tell me what go on here, so.
My name is Shardine. My business, Embed African Collections. I cater to persons who are...
Yeah man, talking at him.
I cater to the Afrocentric individuals, the persons who are looking for something different, something unique, and strong products. Almost all these products are made by myself. Whatever is not made by me is sourced directly from the motherland.
Alright, so where we can find you?
I am on social media as AMAB_African Collections on Instagram, that is. Facebook, Amabi African Collections.
Alright,
And
nice.
my number is 779-7741. I also do African print fabrics, real African print, not the fake ones. that
You're
are on the
massive,
reel.
so once you want her and see what she have and thing, her number is there, make sure you call her. You check out her Instagram page. You understand? So you know so the thing actually online already. You know? Yeah man, big up every time. Okay. She have a banner right here. Here's the banner. There's the number. Alright. Yeah, she showed me the shirt. This is nice, man.
This is the front of the shirt, and this is the back of the shirt.
Wow, watch your style. Nice.
Watch your style, watch your fashion.
Watch it. Jeez. Alright, big up every time and thanks here. Alright, Jamaica walk by here. Yeah, you can check us out. Alright, the full video will be on YouTube. Alright. Alright, massive, so we are blow through. Bless up. Oh, over here, look like it's all milk. Let me see what go on. Nice. Alright. Big up every time. Anybody want to say anything? Anybody want to talk about what's going on? Alright. Alright, let me catch a little bit of that. You want to tell me just a little bit, just a little prep? Alright. We're going through. Which out there? Well, let me look. Let me then check and see who is around here right here, so man. Which one? Let me see. Make good job too. Alright, are you with this? Yeah. Alright, see it, talk to me.
Alright.
Tell me what we don't know.
Alright, greetings everyone.
See the Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by, okay.
Yeah, and we are natural, so you can just start. Anything you say, just correct yourself and go
yeah,
through.
man. Alright, so my name is Leslie Bryan from Cannabis 876, and this is our line of products. So we specialize in edibles, oils, and therapeutics. So our page is cannabis876.jm, or you can link us on WhatsApp, 876-389-1109.
Alright, big up every time Jamaica walk by. You can watch a full video on Jamaica walk by. It's in showing the world. Alright, so Jamaica walk by. All platform. Pull out the mic. Alright. So talk to me already.
Hi Jamaica, my name is Jarvian Johnson and I am the producer of dried fruits. So here you can see you have your dried mango, dried pineapple. I also have dried plantain and there is dried jackfruit. So basically, yes. So basically, it is fruits, but it's in a preserved form. So even when the fruits are out of season, you can still enjoy them. And the name of the brand is Tropics 365. That's Tropical Picks 365 all year round. So you can enjoy these fruits basically all year round. They're in a preserved form, so even when they're out of season, you can enjoy them anytime. Yes. And this one is nice. It's dehydrated pine and ginger that you can use as a tea or with the iced tea, or you can use it as the base of your sweet and sour sauce. So this is really nice and flavorful. So I would highly recommend this one. So yes, that is it.
So that's what your name on Instagram?
Yes, so you can find us at Tropics365 on Instagram, or you can message me on WhatsApp at 853-6307. Okay, so check us out.
That's it. Place to go. All right. Big up every time here.
Okay.
Jamaica walk by. You can check it out on YouTube. All right. Cool. All right. We're moving along. You don't know. Denbigh show ground with it. Rather. Rada St. Catherine. Yeah, I think the lady that tell me something about that. So we can contact Rada and get majority of the stuff them anyways too. Alright, let us move to the other side. So massive, we're gonna try and blow through, you know. I think I interview good amount of people, you know, to showcase them things. So let's go. Catch your setup. All right, wait a minute, General. You're the man to talk to. You want to tell me a little bit of what go on? Quick and fast.
We're using some drip irrigation here.
Yeah, man, just talk and tell me a little bit of what go on. Just talk, you can't even stay there, so.
Alright, what you want to talk? We have
Just tell me what go on. What go on.
Alright, we have the greenhouse here. We have a pressurized system. We have gravity feed. So you have the pump, you have the injector, you have the timer. You have some solenoid valve. So solenoid valve collect each one of the bait.
Right.
So the timer sends a signal to the solenoid valve. It open, everyone open. One at a time it works. How much time for the day you want to work?
And water them, where do you just water them?
Yeah,
and
just
things?
water them. You run both water and fertilizer.
And fertilizer. Beautiful.
Over that side, you know, we have the mist. There's a mist sprinkler.
Oh, that's the one that hanging up there?
Yeah, it's a mist.
Alright, see.
So we mist. So basically, these are drip peg, drip lines, grow bags. So basically, we have a pressurized system and a gravity feed system in the greenhouse.
Alright, so for this setup, who we can contact? How we get in touch with people like you if we get a setup like this?
We have a card that's called Isratech.
Isratech?
Yeah, man. Isratech Jamaica Limited.
Isratech Jamaica Limited.
Yeah.
That's the name on Instagram and Facebook and them thing there?
Instagram, Facebook.
Alright, big up every time and thanks, in?
Respect.
Martin. Blessed, blessed. Bless up, who want to talk to me? Who want to tell me what go on? When you leave me? Boy, rough. Never go tell you about that one there the next day. Okay. You can tell me what go on, see it. Just talk to me.
Alright. Let's start from one section and This is our waterworks.
Yeah, man, the territory now, man. Just talking now.
This is our waterworks section where we deal with industrial plumbing system, maybe for irrigation, national irrigation. Here we have a boat fusion system with a 180 mm pipe, where we join it with a machine, special machine that join the pipes with a crease here. What we do over here also, this is application actually work directly in the field as it is.
Okay.
We do with sewage system. This is a small sewage system. We can make a design any size sewage system to suit your particular needs. And There are small manholes for commercial and industrial uses. Valves for pipes. We carry from 6-inch right up to 12-inch, up to 24-inch. Same with the couplings and all the different pipes you need to do your industrial irrigation or pipe system.
Nice, nice.
Okay. Okay. We do for small portable water usage. Instead of using maybe a half-inch pipe and you have a long run, you just use one straight length, just roll it out and
easy going.
Easy going, no coupling, no nothing, just easy going. Here we have some irrigation pipes, mainly for the farm. The black one mainly for the farm, the brown ones mainly for garden, the purple one here mainly for recycled water system. All of these pipes is manufactured out of our plant in Mandeville.
Okay.
What we have here is a quarter-acre kit. You come in, instead of buying like a roller, 1 millimeter pipe, 10 meter pipe with the irrigation, everything comes with a kit, all assembly just put together.
Easily.
Right. In the energy department.
Hold on, before me even get there, those things, what's in the glasses here?
These things in the glasses here, these are the components that we use to make the pipe. This is a blue colorant and protector for the pipe that make the blue pipe. This is a virgin material. This is one of the virgin materials that we use to make the pipe. It combined with the color to get the color. This is another color agent, and this is the black. The black is mostly used in agriculture situation. As you said, the purple is a recycled water.
Okay. Nice.
On the energy division, we deal with generators. Any size generator, from small domestic right up to the large industrial generator. These are very quiet generators.
Quiet?
Very quiet, very efficient, quiet generators. Also, we have solar lighting, both for outside and inside lighting with solar. And we use them in the farms too. Say your farm don't have electricity, far from electricity, you can use them to light your farm with a solar panel quite easily and make system for that.
So good man, making life easier, man.
Right. So we have
more clean.
Yeah, we have arrays of solar light here available and things like that. Right?
All right.
As part of the whole thing, we sell everything to make your home and garden perfect. We sell from your rake, your shovel, your timers, your feeders for your chicken, waters for your chicken, things like that. For cutting, pruning, picking, watering, the whole work. Some hardware items, general hardware items, spray pan, everything. Here we have different soil mix, we call compost mix, for maybe your potting or your garden bed or your greenhouse area. As you see, somebody told you about the greenhouse. We supply everything for the greenhouse. From the greenhouse, we supply the greenhouse material, greenhouse plastic, everything. We construct a greenhouse and we can furnish every item for your greenhouse.
Mad, nice. So, if you want it on Instagram and Facebook and them thing then? Okay.
Yeah, we are on Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah, man, you can just show me the front of that. Show me.
Okay.
Right.
We have a 5% promotion going on.
All
You
right.
come to the Mandeville store, you get a 5% discount on a purchase. Okay.
All right. So big up every time, man, and respect and thanks for having Jamaica walk by here. You see me? I say me and you we talk here. All right, respect. Blessed, blessed. Anybody want to talk? Anybody want to say anything? Jamaica walk by nose. Alright, big up every time. Greetings, greetings. I've been here, it's just that it took me a while to get this side. Walk on, Godfather. Can I take a look? say something?
All right.
See it here? Yeah, man, talk to me.
Hi. How about fixing up the road for the farmers?
Yeah, man, speak your
Farm
mind,
roads are
man.
in
Tell me.
dire need of fixing up so that farmers can transport their goods and services.
All right, big up any specific location though?
Oh, most definitely want to big up all the farmers from Trelawney, especially South Trelawney, and my father, who is now retired but was an awesome farmer, Valentine Gillings. Always there was food in the house. My brothers are carrying on the service. Want to say to the Gillings family in Wilson Valley, Trelawney, enough love, respect, and to all the farmers down there.
Nice. Big up every time here. Jamaica Walk by here. Bless up, bless up. Blessed, blessed. Anyone want to tell me a little bit of what's going on here?
Well, just improvise with the local material to create these ornaments. The vase, they are from ceramics.
Boy, brother, them pretty.
Yeah, man.
Stand out.
Local made.
Yeah, man. So, are you on social media? No social media. What about a number person want these? You have a location?
No, we just keep low, you know.
Alright, me understand. So if me want one, how me will get it? Me, people them see them and I want to say, boy, I want two of them and how me will get them?
Oh, you see only show, you know, during show time. So.
Okay, alright, I got you.
Yes.
Alright, respect here.
Alternate for the lady for me.
Blessed me general, you want to tell me a little bit of what go on here, so?
Well, we are selling plants. We have fruit trees. All the exotic fruit trees we have here.
Tell the viewers what go on. Just a little rundown.
We have all the exotic citrus plants. We have like Parson Brown, Valencia. We have kumquat, grafted apples, grafted pear avocado, out of season avocado. We have the new philodendron plant, Birkins, and quite a
Alright, so if we
large
want to
collection.
reach you, which part we can get to you? Like where the business is located?
I am located in Sandy Bay.
Sandy Bay.
Clarendon.
Okay.
And my name is Wayne Williams.
Alright, any number? So every person can
My
call
number
you.
is 876-275-9693.
Alright. Big up every time.
Yes, and we have reasonable prices.
Reasonable price.
Yes. And
very
prices,
reasonable. Sandy Bay, I wonder if it's that the spot like when they're coming from 19 mile coming down.
Yes, right there.
That's
right
over there.
Near to
Alright, but I have an idea where.
You have an idea.
Alright, blessings,
great.
man. Really
Blessings.
nice. We're going through massive. So we'll speed up the tour. I never realized that, so the place big, you know. See it there? Yeah, pocket too. Since me are here, you want to tell me a rundown now of what's going on?
Yeah.
We see you later.
Actually, wow, that's a camera. Wow. It's like a little tiny camera.
Alright, big up. Jamaica walk by here. Nice. Fire your time though, you know.
Yeah, go on with that. Just say, you know, when they look big and put it on me, walk up and down. See, so. Yeah. Come forward. Come in, Empress.
Chop, chop, you don't know. Blessed, blessed. still open? Alright. Good day, good day. Good day, good day, good day. Blessed, blessed. Sorry. Yes, Daddy. Big up every time, you know. So your settings is?
Yes.
Alright. Tell me a little bit about what you have right here, sir. Quick.
I have Java plum wine, Java plum tea, Java plum juice, mountain sap, and the mountain sap juice goes with Medina. And them all good, they have a healthy lifestyle. The juice and they're natural. They help the diabetic person.
Oh.
They help the person that have stress.
Yeah, man. So what about if we want to contact you, how we can get your product?
You can get it by me if you call 382-9407, and my name is Malcolm.
Mr. Malcolm.
Yes, and any RADA office you could get it.
All right, big up every time here.
Thank you.
Sing. Yo, Wagwan real rich. G Mac, how things man? Great, yo. Take me number, me link you right away. Yeah, we have a channel, Jamaica Walk By. You can check it out too. Give me. Don't want to say it out, you know? Alright, link me here. Some persons already pack up. It seems like it was the auditorium. Easy poodle. Massive. So I'm gonna show you where the big event will be keeping, which is the gospel concert tomorrow and the big show on Monday. Yeah. This is it. So this section will be ram-packed on Sunday and Monday. Listen, Massive, I wouldn't have time to view and showcase everything down here by Denbigh. It is a massive venue. A lot of things going on. Trust me, lot of businesses like crazy. I've been doing this for like 2 hours and still haven't got to everybody. But at least I can get a full idea as to what Denbigh Showground is all about. If you're coming here, it is best you come here like in the morning and you come with your family and you can just chill out for the whole day. You understand? Nobody has to leave. They have bathroom, you know, food, juice, drink, everything to keep you going. You understand? So listen, I'm gonna close the video right now. So big up every time to everybody who tune in. Sorry to all the other persons who haven't been in their place to showcase what they have. As I say, on Jamaica Walk By, it's all good, it's all natural, and we just walk through like you're here. Zane, so big up every time to all Massive. You don't know, as I say, Denbigh Showground, no normal. Good to see it back in full effect. Everybody seems to be having a wonderful time. I haven't heard of any incident or anything whatsoever. So big up to all Massive. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we are signing out. So I'm just gonna walk to the gate and close. You don't know. So if you're not yet like, please I'm asking you to like. Please I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. You don't know, and let's do this. See? Yeah man, big up every time. Until next time. But me not close yet. We are walk through, cause you know nice I go start.
Yeah, man, we see him one night.
I remember the last time I came here was when I was in Rising Star. The top 5 came here and we performed the Independent night, which was the Monday night. It was the time of one of my life, you understand? Yeah man, it was crazy. It was really good. The crowd was excellent. Guardian Life Group. Manners. Rim boy. Jamaica Walk By. All right, sir. All right, that's how you go. Real joker that you know. However, best of, yeah. As Mr. Massive, we're just walking through. We're closing, but we're still viewing. Where's the general real?
Oh, let's take him up. Hey, approach boy from the front. Hey, let him go. Bro. And him stubborn, he would have been here, brother. Can I take one brother, approach him from the front, yeah?
Yeah, if the one they bite here, you know.
No, but when it's a bite, then it's like
Yes, Massive, we're closing, but it come like the more I walk, the more I see some bunch of other stuff, so let's go and look, see him here. Oh, go on, let's go. Blessed. Alright, massive. Yo, the vibe nice. It's just nice, just a walk and a look, but I tell you don't lie. It's alright, big up every time. You don't go. I hit this man, we're siding out, you see? 100.